Subscribe to the marketing plans and hit the bell icon for latest notifications and regular updates.
Hi guys and welcome. Today I want to tell you about one of the best e-commerce platforms that helps me to make about $10,000 a month. I currently manage several sites and I have had success with both e-commerce stores and content-based affiliate sites. Not too long ago, I also ventured into selling my own digital products online, and that's where I first started using the platform. Let's not waste any time and let's get started right now.
Ecwid is a SaaS solution for customizing your own e-commerce website. The main feature is that you can take your old site and quickly integrate the Ecwid system within minutes. You can also mirror the system on other sites if you plan to sell elsewhere online. Ultimately, you can manage all of these sites for one centralized location rather than switching between multiple dashboards. And speaking of which, Ecwid provides tons of e-commerce management options. For example, you can add a wide range of products accompanied by their various attributes such as weight, prices, photographs, etc. Then, by setting shipping rates, you can process various card payments and fulfill orders accordingly. In short, you will be everything that comes with a standard e-commerce platform. All of this can be done in the Ecwid online system via your web browser, but not really. It's also possible to sync Ecwid across multiple devices. As a result, sell on the go from your smartphone. To do this, Ecwid has created its own store management apps for Android and iOS devices. While their functionality may not match what is offered in the web interface, you can rely on apps to edit product attributes, upload electronic products, add product images, sell, and more. This system is also designed to integrate well with social media, so you can sell your items on Facebook if needed. Just set up Ecwid to add your product directly to your Facebook page, and voila! You'll be able to sell and sync each product accordingly. Well, the same goes for the marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Ecwid allows you to export your product catalog to such platforms and then automatically sync sales data when you systematically sell items across multiple channels. However, the most prominent channel should be the Ecwid storefront. Expect Ecwid to revamp your site, turning it into a full-fledged e-commerce showcase with features like in-place payment gateways, one-page checkout, attractive product layout, product filtering, delivery service integrations, and marketing automation. Another part of Ecwid that we especially love is the delivery aspect. With real-time shipping integration, you are constantly aware of what is happening with your orders and where they are going. Finally, Ecwid recently introduced a new feature called Starter Site. This is a simplified one-page showcase for businesses looking to migrate to Ecwid but have not yet built a website. You can run it on your main Ecwid domain or use your own domain name. However, you can think of Ecwid as a kind of e-commerce widget. And that, in fact, is the main reason why we call it Ecwid in the first place. After pasting in a short HTML code, the whole system basically embeds into the existing website like a normal widget and then proceeds to display your storefront. Apart from apps, Ecwid platform offers 4 plans by default, one of which is completely free. In fact, Ecwid is promoting the free plan quite aggressively, and it assures you that they won't change you at any moment. Well, in my experience with Ecwid, the company continues to stick to its goal of leaving the entire package permanently free. This is where Ecwid stands out, and in case you want to upgrade to a new version, you can bet that premium payment plans won't cost you much.
If you spend a lot of time browsing review search or checking out the top CRM and website builders on the internet, you will notice that Shopify has a lot to offer. It doesn't matter if you plan to launch your store entirely online or as usual, there is something for everyone. Shopify manages to achieve such a strong feature set that they either have a built-in tool or allow you to install it through an app. For example, taxes and shipping are included in the Shopify interface. However, for many themes, you still have to find a free social media buttons app. Both options work, and you often don't need to pay extra money when choosing an app. The company has one of the most complete dashboards I've ever seen. All tasks from order processing to inventory management can be performed in a simple and straightforward way. The platform also provides an interface called Partner Finder when developers can play with new sites without having to open free trials every time. It's like a sandbox interface. You can install new themes, customize full-fledged websites, and easily move from the Partner Finder site to the live site. Not only that, but you get a commission for every customer you bring on board Shopify. Going forward, reports in Shopify are my favorites of all e-commerce platforms. They are organized, clean and simple, with options like viewing sales by billing address, sales by traffic, and total sales by product name. If you want to sell your products in a real retail environment, you can opt for POS. This includes everything you need to sell your products offline, both from the software and hardware side. The software includes an iPad app that makes it much easier to sell your items in retail. With the app, you can use your credit card reader to swipe your customer's card on the spot. You can even purchase additional equipment from the company, such as a cash register, receipt printer, and barcode scanner. Shopify also offers one of the largest app stores of all e-commerce solutions. They provide hundreds of free and paid apps that will improve your store. They have been divided into different categories such as marketing, sales, social media, shipping, and customer service. Thanks to their formidable content management system, you can create additional pages as well as pages through which your customers can easily contact you. Plus, Shopify makes it easy to run your own blog as everything is handled from one panel. Keep in mind that the whole Shopify is tricky to go through the features set in one section, but it's worth mentioning that each of the Shopify themes available in their theme store is responsive to mobile-ready checks. This responsive control means your site will automatically adapt to the size of the client's screen, whether via a tablet or a smartphone. Along with direct Facebook and Pinterest integrations, gift cards, discount codes, and a decent customer profile, the company has made significant improvements to the built-in features. In general, if you want a feature that is only available in the App Store, you can always test it out and move on to another option if it doesn't work on your website. If you have an amazing store but your customers can't find it, chances are you will be very disappointed with the sales data. Shopify offers great SEO and marketing opportunities. With built-in search engine optimization features, your site will be easily found in all major search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The nice thing is that even if your SEO settings are automated, you can go to each product page and set up your own target keywords, URLs, and more. If you really want to customize your store further, the interface offers a customizable title and meta tags. Also, all URLs are SEO friendly. Shopify has partnered with Google to occasionally give you advertising money for a new AdWords account too. Gift cards are extremely user-friendly, and you don't have to look for a third-party app to enhance your gift card experience.
Payhip is a hosted e-commerce platform that lets you start selling for almost free. You can hold promotions, you can track your sales. Payhip is an online store builder. This means Payhip is hosting your showcase. You do not operate the e-commerce server or software. What's more, you don't need to pay for hosting in the free plan. Go to Payhip, create a free account with an email address and password. Add your first product. You can customize your store, add your payment method, and start selling. After you create a free account, you can start selling your products on a hosted storefront. But that's not all. You can also sell on social media and websites. You can place a checkout or cart on your preferred sales channel and sell products. Payhip also allows you to embed a product page on your website instead of adding a buy button if you prefer. There is seamless integration between Payhip and these sales channels. Payhip enables fast payment on desktop or mobile devices. After a successful sale, your customers can download digital products immediately. Payhip also sends download information via email. Payhip supports PayPal and all other major cards for processing payments. In addition, you can accept several different currencies at the Payhip store. You can even choose the number of download attempts. By default, PayHip allows free downloads for each digital product. If you sell software licenses, PayHip can generate, store, and issue software keys for you. What's more, PayHip can handle your EU VAT calculations by itself. You can customize the color and logo according to your brand. You can change the color and borders of the buy buttons and the cart buttons. You can set a background image for the storefront. PayHip's design editor also lets you set the background color of the showcase. You can upload a profile photo of your store, add a short bio for your store, add social media links to your PayHip store. If you know CSS, you can control more of the visual aspects of your store. You will receive basic but reliable analytics to track traffic to your store. Connect Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel to your PayHip store for detailed analytics. Moreover, you can create letter templates, change the subject and message of the email sent to your customers. This shouldn't be a hindrance if you are building your online store as part of a larger main platform like a blog. It also works if you want to sell on social media. But if you are looking to build an e-commerce brand, PayHip is not for you. You must take note of this severe PayHip limitation before registering with PayHip. If you are planning to sell memberships on your website, PayHip might be a good option. You can set up different plans for your subscribers, including free trials. You can even sell exclusive content to your members. Affiliate programs can be a huge source of traffic or income for your online store. For this reason, affiliate programs should be part of your marketing strategy.